Hello guys, let us see next part of C programming language. We are going to see the operators. Let me give you various types of operators. We are not going to see all types, but let's see all those things. Arithmetic operator is first, relational operator, logical, bitwise, assignment and miscellaneous operator. What is the arithmetic operator? You people knows bit of arithmetic. You have seen mathematics. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Addition, you know you can add two numbers. Subtraction, you can subtract two numbers. From first, you can subtract second number. Multiply, divide. Modulus, what is the modulus? It gives the remainder of division. Means b divided by a, it gives the remainder. Okay. Plus operator. Plus operator, what it does is it increments the value of variable by 1. Minus operator, decrement operator, it going to decrement the value of that variable by 1. Then relational operator, equal to means comparison. Equal to means comparison. A equal to b means it going to compare A with B. If it is equal, then it returns true. If it is not equal, then it returns false. Similarly, not equal, exclamatory mark and equal to is not equal to. It checks whether two variables have equal values or not. In this case, it returns true when both variables having different values. If it returns false when both variable has सेम व्हॅल्यूज. म्हणजे इथं सांगतो तुम्हाला ए इक्वल टू बी म्हणजे ए आणि बी सारखं आहे का हे चेक केलं जातं. ट्रू रिटर्न केलं जातं जेव्हा एची व्हॅल्यू बी एवढी असते. फॉल्स जेव्हा नसताना रिटर्न केलं जातं. ठीक आहे. ओके. नॉट इक्वल टू म्हणजेच नसेल तर. ग्रेटर दॅन, you have seen this operator in various mathematical, you have seen mathematics till 12th standard, you have seen greater than operator means a b पेक्षा मोठा आहे का नाही ते चेक केलं जातं. जर असेल तर ट्रू, नसेल तर फॉल्स. म्हणजे इथं काय बोलू शकतो आपण, रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर आयदर ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स रिटर्न करतात. लेस दॅन, इट चेक्स वेदर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ सेकंड ऑपरेटर सेकंड ऑपरँड इज ग्रेटर दॅन फर्स्ट. ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू, ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू, ऑर आहे मध्ये दोघांच्या. मीन्स इट चेक्स वेदर लेफ्ट हँड ऑपरँड इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ राईट हँड. लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू checks the value of second operator operand is less than or equal to. And let us see the logical. This part is quite useful. And means it's a logical and. You have seen logics in mathematics. And means, let me give you simple example of and. I am going to eat. Okay, let me give you a very simple example. Today, the weather forecast of today I am going to predict. Today it's going to be a thunderstorm and it's going to rain. And here I have used and. When I can say this my statement is true, when both the terms will be true, means when there will be thunderstorm and there will be rain. And or means this true or that true. Means if my statement like this, today there will be thunderstorm or rain. This is the not operator. We are not going to see bitwise operator for this case. We will see it afterwards. Okay, let us see a bit of example of operator. No, not decision making also. No, not even loops also. No, at this point we can't deal with the loops. Okay, we have seen the operators. Let's stop here, we will see after.